If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello, 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 goodbye. Welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews and Pen Mail. Or is it just mail? What do you think, Mr. Announcer?
Pen mail.
Well, we're going to see what it is. And this comes from, Franklin Pens and Paper, or Federalist Pens and Paper, or just Franco and Markey. Okay, we'll see. Here we go. I don't tear up everything. I don't want to tear up whatever's in here. So here we go. Here we go. Oh, hurry up. So what do you think's in here? You say a pen? Probably a bill. La la. The cardboard box. Okay. Piece of paper. Like that. And here we go. I got some ink. Oh, right on. Would you care to do the honors?
A platinum.
Yes. And we'll do a review on this one. And thank you so much. Oh, look at that beautiful red from Federalist Pens and Paper. Wow, that is a good looking one. And then we got some ink in there. Wow, thank you so much, Frank. And we got some ink going on here. It's Karen Henderson ink, so okay, we'll get into that when I review this beautiful fountain. This is a gorgeous fountain pen. Beautiful red, it really is. And you know what? Fabulous writer, and they are very affordable. In fact, I just finished using one the other day. They're a great fountain pen. You can't go wrong for the money. It's a win-win. It's one of those kind of pens that if you're looking for a fountain pen but you're not sure if you like fountain pens, bam. If you're into fountain pens and you're on a very strict budget but you want a nice looking fountain pen, I know I would. I don't want nothing to look, there. This is a good looking fountain pen. Really nice looking. But they make excellent fountain pens and you can't beat it for the buck. So, be watching for the review. And again, peace and love to you, Frank. Thank you so much. And this pen mail was provided by Frank from Federalist Pens and Paper. Rock on, brother. Peace, kisses, and lots of love to everyone. And be kind to a stranger. And on the real side, hey, don't text and drive, please. This is what put me in the hospital last time. Later. Bye.